It's the best day for a road trip. Many friends asked, I like Ford Ranger so much, can I buy it? Let me comment on it with a good normal pour. First, this is an intermediate configuration version which costs 215,800 yuan. The length is 5.41 meters, a standard size for mid-size pickup. It's small when it's less than 5.45 and it's big when it exceeds 5.45. So for the size, it's a normal comment. Here comes the point, guys. 2.3T EcoBoost gas engine with an 8AT gearbox. The king of power combination among the cars of 200,000 to 300,000. The engine's power is obvious much stronger than all the cars with 2.0T I've driven, and is quite smooth and quiet and economize on energy. You can even assume it's buying a power combination and getting the car for free. So I can give free goods to this engine. Few pickups of the grade are all WD ones. With the E-mode MPT, it can press it like a lock. It has a low speed for WD and LSD. As for its merits, there's water and ice in the northeast and then asphalt roads. You don't have to change the drive frequently because it can keep going all the time. So it's definitely a good comment for this drive. Now let's talk on the wheels. First, the hub is nice, a powerful grey one, but when it comes to tire, it's not too bad or too good. Its blocks are not so big as the standard AT tires, which offers good traction but not so quiet and smooth like a road one. So I'd rather they use some drug tires, so the buyers may change them to different cross-country tires according to their requests. So it's a normal comment. The guard plate, the plate for this junction is metal. There is also a plate under this engine and the gearbox. So it's the tank. A good comment. Then the rescuing drag part. Since it's an SUV, it will rescue others or be rescued. Look, there's only one part on its left front. There's no such a part on its right front. No such a part at its back either. Then it's a funny thing. Anyway, don't worry, its original selected parts can be installed quickly at its back as a drag part. So a poor comment on its hook. For this version, it has a comprehensive 3-feet snorkel. Its streamlined shape may greatly reduce its wind noise and energy consumption, and also because of it, the vehicle can run in the water about 800 to 900 millimeters theoretically. So when there's a rainstorm, this vehicle won't be submerged easily. Anyway, pay attention. It will be a trouble if the water reaches the hood or the windscreen. So a good comment. Its back cover is convenient. Thanks to the dumping, it won't fall directly and hit a kid. Besides, there's a step on its side. It's hard to get on many vehicles because they don't have it. There are lights on both sides. Well-protected container. A good comment. On such a convenient back, this is typical length of a mid-size pickup. Nice length. The width of it is also not bad. And the space of the wheel arc is minimized. So its back is normal. The vehicle of 215,800 has a comfort bag of 3,000. So the things like the driver's look armrest, the front heating and the ventilation as well as wheel heating are well offered. For the combination of 3,000, it's not expensive. A map is installed in this system, 100 points for it. I love a map. Besides, if you are not used to the system, use CarPlay, it's nice. A good comment. Its top aux extended interface. You may connect its air pump and all kinds of lights to it. Many vehicles don't have it, but it does. Good. A poor comment on the WeChat button here. Do I use it or not? If my wife asks me to press it and WeChat shows up on the screen, shall I log it in or not? Since it's a mid-size pickup, it's not too large, but there's a space of 1 fist and 4 fingers for legs at its second row. It was the standard position just now, so a good comment on its back space. Then the expansion accessories. There's an AC outlet of 150 watts in the back seats. Now pretty large. You may take some AC equipment of low power. That's thoughtful. The height of the floor is not pretty high. A good comment on them. Besides, its seat can be raised to put your tools inside. Its backrest can also be opened in this way. There's also space inside, so you may put the center console behind it without occupying other places. A good comment on expansion space. In the driving, due to its excellent cross-country capability, it performs well in the wind. As for a road ride, it's more delicate than the domestic pickups around 200,000. No sense of crudeness. It's comfortable as a normal car. A good comment on the driving. The intelligence drive is useful when you are on the way. Just leave it to drive on the expressway. There are different prices for Ford Ranger. The 2WD version starts from 104,000 to 204,000, the top version. This one is 210,000, a middle version. Look at its good hardware and software. It would cost 35,000 at least and even higher 4 or 5 years ago. If I give 210,000 to buy a vehicle for the road trip, will you buy an ordinary SUV or a Ranger which may make you proud?